Hey, ever feel like you're just not getting anything done even though you know you should be? Like you're just too lazy to do anything. But deep down, you know it's not about laziness. There's something else going on. But what is it? Let's talk about it. All right, let's clear something up. Being lazy is different from being overwhelmed. Lazy means you don't want to do anything, like you just can't be bothered. But when you're overwhelmed, you're staring at a mountain of tasks thinking, where do I even start? It's like your to-do list is a mile long and every task feels like its own mountain, and your brain just freezes. It's not that you don't care, you care a lot, but your brain is so overloaded it doesn't even know where to begin. So it does what brains do best. It hits the pause button. Here's the thing. Overwhelm happens when you've got too many things on your plate and not enough time, energy, or focus to handle it all. It's like trying to juggle 10 things at once, and then, whoops, everything crashes to the floor. You want to get stuff down, but you're paralyzed, not even knowing where to begin. So you end up doing nothing. Does that sound familiar? Yeah, me too. So how do you tell if you're actually lazy or just overwhelmed? Well, if you're feeling stuck and unmotivated, ask yourself, have I even tried to do something? Because here's the deal. Laziness usually means avoiding doing anything, but overwhelm, it's like you try to get started, but the moment you see that never-ending to-do list, your brain's like, yeah, nope. Here's the good news. You can beat overwhelm. It's not impossible. Start by breaking down that huge mountain of tasks into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Instead of looking at everything you need to do, focus on the one thing that needs to get done right now. This way, it's less like climbing a mountain and more like walking up a few steps. Take it one step at a time. You don't need to do it all in one go. And remember, breaks are your best friend. Seriously, taking a short break gives your brain the chance to recharge. Once you break it down, start taking small actions. It's not about doing everything perfectly, it's about making progress, even if it's just knocking out one thing at a time. And soon enough, you'll realize you're not lazy at all. You're just overwhelmed, and now you know exactly how to beat it. So, if you're feeling stuck, remember, you're not lazy, you're just overwhelmed, and that's totally fixable. Take a deep breath, break it down, and tackle that list. You've got this. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips to help you crush overwhelm and stay productive. Remember, progress over perfection. Catch you in the next one.